Hello, saxophone players. Welcome back. I hope you had a great spring break, and I look forward to working with you again this week. I figured this week we'd start off with a warm-up, so we're going to play a couple songs out of our Sound Innovation to start today. So please jump to number 40 in your Sound Innovations book, which is the Technique Builder, which we have played many times before. We're going to play it twice, first time at a slow tempo, and then we're going to speed it up and play it a little quicker the second time. Feel free to stop and restart the video if you need to, pause it, play it on your own, whatever you need to keep up. This is just a warm-up. So here's number 40, the Technique Builder at the slow tempo first. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're going to speed it up, play a little faster. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, that was Technique Builder. Now we're going to jump to a new song, number 188 in your Sound Innovations book. So if you could please flip to that. This is called the Concert B-Flat Scale and Arpeggio. Now we're not going to play the arpeggio, which is the second half of the song. We're only going to focus on the scale, which is the first part of the song. Now you'll notice at the top it says Concert B-Flat Scale, but then it also says your G scale or G major. That's because the saxophone is in a different key than the piano, meaning it's a transposing instrument. So instead of starting on the note B flat, which we don't know yet, you're going to be starting on the note G, which sounds like this. On a piano, that's the note B flat, but for you guys, it's the note G. Now, the only new note in here that we might be unfamiliar with is high G. High G is the same as low G, except you use the octave key. So you're going to press down the thumb key, and then 1, 2, 3. That is high G. So the whole scale will sound like this. That's the scale itself. One of the most popular things you're going to learn to play between now and whenever you are, whenever you get into middle school, high school, college, wherever it is where you're playing, you're going to be playing that scale. It's called the Concert B-Flat Scale. For you guys, it's your G major scale. So the only notes that you need to worry about that we are completely maybe unfamiliar with is, like I said, that high G, and also remember to play F sharp, which is 1, 2, 3, and then the middle finger on the right hand, not the first finger, which is F. We are playing F sharp, and you can tell that it's F sharp because there is a sharp sign on the F line at the beginning of the song. So when you're going up to that second to last high note, it's F sharp with the middle finger. So we're going to play it twice, slow tempo first, and then the fast tempo the second time. 1, 2, ready, go. Now remember, we are not playing the arpeggio, which is the second half. We're only playing the first part of the song, which is the scale itself. Now let's speed it up, go a little quicker. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, don't feel bad if it's not perfect, because this is brand new for everyone. We have not yet played this together as a group, so I don't expect it to be perfect. However, I want you to have a little bit of kind of an intro into it so that you can work on it when we get back to playing together as a group. So practice that this week. And like I said, play it on your own, play it with the recording, stop and start the video if you need to, but do whatever you need to try your best to play through number 40 and 188 this week. I look forward to working with you again, and you'll see more videos from me as the week goes on. Thanks, guys.